Good morning, students. Yesterday we have started with Mrs. Mulani Asma, teacher from Dharavi Transit Municipal English Secondary School. Today, 10th December 21, Friday. Yesterday we have started with revision of lesson number 5, linear equations in one variable. We'll just have a look. In this lesson, we have studied introduction using previous knowledge, in which we have find out the solution of one variable. As you can see here, m plus 3 equal to 5, then the value of m will be 2. In the same way, 3y plus 8 is equal to 22. The value of y will become 14 upon 3. This is quite easy, as you all have studied all these things in 8th standard. We have solved some linear equations in one variable. This may come for activity or for question number 1B for 1 mark. The third one you can see here. Here you have to do the multiplication. Here you have to do the subtraction 5 minus 3, and here you have to do the subtraction after that division, and here you have to do the cross multiplication. This way you do the addition, subtraction, any kind of operation, and we find out the value of one variable. This number should be added to obtain 14. Here you have to do the assumption as x, unknown number, x plus 5 equal to 14. 14 minus 5 is equal to 9. The value of x will be 9. So this way you find out the values. Some word problems are also coming. Some direct equations are also coming. If the word problem is coming, you have to assume a variable for the unknown number and then find out the value of that variable. This number should be added to 5 to obtain 14. That means x is equal to x plus 5 is equal to 14. 14 minus 5 is equal to 9. This way you have to find out. Then this number should be subtracted from 8 to obtain 2. So here you have to assume, you can assume any variable. Here I have assumed y, 8 minus 5 is equal to 2. So y is equal to 8 minus 6. That is equal to, y is equal to 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Therefore the value of y is 6. In just wait, I will share the screen. So using variable x and y for the two numbers, find two numbers whose sum is 14. This is your word problem. When this sentence is written, first statement is find two numbers whose sum is 14. Then the equation will become x plus y equal to 14. To find out the pair of equations, pair of satisfying the condition, that means your order pair answer will be there. We can find many solutions of x and y satisfying the condition. 9 plus 5 equal to 14, 7 plus 7 equal to 14, 8 plus 6 equal to 14. You can see various solutions are there. 4 plus 10 is equal to 14, minus 1 plus 15 is equal to 14. This way you will find out various infinitely many solutions. Hence above equation has many solutions, and it should be written in ordered pair like this. You can see conventionally the solution x equal to 9 and y is equal to 5 is written as an ordered pair this way. You have to write in this way. The value of x will be in first and value of y will be in second part. And it will be in order pair, round bracket, and separated by comma, where 9 is the value of x and 5 is the value of y. To satisfy the equation x plus y equal to 14, we can get infinite ordered pair 9, 5, 7, 7, 8, 6, 4, 10, 10, 4, minus 1, 15, and so on. All of these are solutions of x plus y equal to 14. Consider second example. As we have seen yesterday, the second example was find two numbers such that the difference is 2. So let greater number be x and smaller number be y. We get the equation x minus y equal to 2. The difference is 2, not minus 2. If the difference is in positive sign, so the greater number will be subtracted from the smaller number. Okay. For the values x and y, we can get the following equations: 9 minus 8 equal to 2, 9 minus 7 equal to 2, 8 minus 6 equal to 2. This way you get the values minus 3 is greater than minus 5, minus 3 minus minus 5 is equal to 2 plus 2. 5.3 minus 3.3. You get infinitely many solutions from this. Here we take value of x as 10 and y as 8, then order pair 10, 8 satisfies the above equation. Then we cannot write 8, 10 because 8, 10 will imply x equal to 8 and y equal to 10. Okay. It does not satisfy the equation x minus y equal to 2. X minus y equal to minus 2 aa jayega. Therefore, note that the order of number in the pair indicating solution is very important. Now, let us write the solution x minus y equal to 2 in the form of ordered pair 7, 5, minus 2, minus 4, 0, minus 2, 5.2, 3.2, 8, 6, etc. They are infinite solutions. Now observe the first two equations, both the equations x plus y equal to 14 and x minus y equal to 2. This one is your first equation and this one is your second equation. Solutions of equation 1 are this one. You can see here 9, 5, 7, 7, 8, 6. Solution of equation 2 is this one. So 8, 6 is the only common solution for both of them. For both the equations. This solution satisfies both the equations and it is the unique common solution of both the equations. To find the solution of both the equations, we get 8, 6. Only 8, 6 is the common solution. And that is only the unique solution of both the equations. When we consider two linear equations in two variables simultaneously and we get unique common solution, then such set of equation is called as simultaneous equation. We get unique common solution of two variables which are satisfying both equations. They are simultaneous equations. Let's do one more activity to find out the value of two equations. Here one condition is given, their sum is 42 and difference is 16. Same way you can do in this way also. X plus y is equal to 42 and x minus y is equal to 16. This way you can solve both the equations and find out the values of x and y, 29 and 13 you will get. But this is one kind of activity. Here you don't have to frame the equation. You can just find the solution by doing it directly. 42 plus 16 is equal to 58. Divide 58 divided by 2, you will get 29. Or 29, 42 minus 29 is 13. You see, you will get the value because the sum is 42. Sum is 42. You get first number as 29. So the second number will be 13. One more activity is there. On the glasses of the following spectacles, write the numbers such that the sum is 37 and difference is 11. So add both of them, you will get 48. 48 divided by 2 is 24. Since their sum is 37, 37 minus 24 is 13. This way you can find out. This is just because this is an activity, you don't need solution. You just have to use the trick and find out the values. So this way. But by taking different values of variables, we have solved equation x plus y equal to 14 and x minus y equal to 2. But every time it is not easy to solve by this method. We can take some examples also, different difficult examples. 2x plus 3y equal to minus 4 and x minus 5 equal to 11. So try to solve these equations by taking different values of x and y. By this method, observe that it is not easy to obtain the solution. So there is one general form of linear equations in two variables As we all know, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is a general form of linear equations in two variables, and we need two pair of equations to find out the values of both the variables, where a, b, c are real numbers, a and b are non-zero at the same time. Therefore, to solve simultaneous equation, we use different methods. Here in 9th standard, we are using method of elimination. In this method, we eliminate one of the variables to obtain equations in one variable. We can solve and find the values of one of the two variables, and then substituting these values in one of the given equations, we can find the value of other variable. Okay, so we will start with practice set 5.1. By using variables x and y, form any two linear equations in two variables. This is your first question. So this you all do it on your own. I will just show you how you can do it. So we have used x and y. We have to use x and y and form 5 equations. As you can see, as form 2x minus 5y is equal to 1. You all can write anything what you want, but it should have two variables and both should have degree 1. So you all can see this examples. For 5 question answers are given. 2x plus y equal to 5, x plus y equal to 40, 2x minus 7y equal to 7, 10x plus 15y equal to 105. This is an open-ended question. Not compulsory that you have to write the same answer. Students can write equation of their own choice. Our second question is, write 5 solution of the equation x plus y equal to 7. This is the equation, children. How we have to write 5 solutions? If we take first x as 10 and y as 3, minus 3, sorry, 10 minus x plus y equal to 7. 10 plus minus 3 is equal to 7. 10 plus minus 3 is equal to 7, obviously. So our first solution is 10 comma minus 3. You have to write in ordered pair in round bracket, and it should values should be separated by comma, and first value should be x and second value should be y. The second one is 1 comma 6. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. 2 comma 5. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. This way you get the solutions of equation x plus y equal to 7. Now let's start with question number 3. So third question is, we have to solve simultaneous equation x plus y equal to 4, 2x minus 5y is equal to 1. So solution is going to be like x plus y equal to 4. This is going to be our first equation. 2x minus 5y is equal to 1. This is going to be your second equation. You'll have to find such number in order to get x should be cancelled or y should be cancelled. So here easily you can see if we multiply 5 in equation 1, so that will become 5x plus 5y equal to 20. So plus 5y and minus 5y will get reduced and we will get equation in one variable, and we can solve the equation, and we'll find out the value of y. If y will get reduced, we will get the value of x, and if x will get reduced, we get the value of y. Okay, understood? Multiplying equation 1 by 5, you will see 5x plus 20 is the third equation. Now we have to use second and third equation. You can see here plus 5y and minus 5y is there. Therefore, we are using second and third equation. Adding second and third equation, 5x plus 5y plus 2x minus 5y, 20 plus 1 plus 5y minus 5y will get cancelled or reduced. 5x plus 2x is equal to 7x, and 20 plus 1 is equal to 21. So here you can see this is our equation in one variable. So 7x equal to 21. Therefore, x is equal to 21 upon 7. 7 3s are 21. So the value of x will be 3. Now substituting x equal to 3 in equation 1, 3 plus y equal to 4. Therefore, y is equal to 4 minus 3. And the value of y is equal to 1. So answer is 3, 1. Therefore, 3, 1 is the solution of the given equation. So you just keep it in your mind. First step follow after we have to use the first step. Accordingly, we have to make changes. We can add, subtract, multiply, divide in such a way so that we can reduce either x or y. So after doing this, we can do it. We can solve the equation. Fine. In the same way, you all have to solve other equations also. They're very easy to solve. Simply, first question is done. Second question is 2x plus y is equal to 5 and 3x minus y equal to 5. So here you can see 2x plus y is equal to 5. This is going to be your first equation. 3x minus y equal to 5. This is your second equation. Over here you will see we don't have to multiply any number or divide any number. We have directly got plus y and minus y. This can be easily reduced. Okay, so don't have to multiply or anything. And adding equation 1 and 2, we will get 2x plus y plus 3x minus y is equal to 5 plus 5. Y will get reduced. Sorry, y will get reduced. You will get 5x is equal to 10. Therefore, x is equal to 10 upon 5. 5 to the 10. Therefore, the value of x is 2. Now substitute x equal to 2 in any of the equation. I'm going to substitute in equation 1. Why? Because it is in addition form. Okay. So when you substitute x equal to 2 in equation 1, 2 multiplied by 2 plus y is equal to 5. 2 to the 4. 5 minus 4 y. Therefore, y is equal to 5 minus 4. Therefore, the value of y is 1. So the solution is 2, 1 is the solution of the given equation, simultaneous equation. Let's move to fourth question. 2y minus x is equal to 0. 10x plus 15y is equal to 105. Here 2y minus x is equal to 0. This is going to be your first equation. 10x plus 15y is your second equation. Over here in equation 2, first we will see equation 2. You will see these are bigger numbers, 10x, 15y, 105. It can be divided by any same number. So we will divide both sides equation, dividing both sides equation 2 by 5, and that same number is your 5. Okay, you can see. So you get 10 divided by 5 is 2, 15 divided by 5 is 3, and 105 divided by 5 is, you can see 21. Okay, 5 to the 10, 5 1 the 5. So you get the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 21. After reducing this, you get 2x plus 3y is equal to 21. This is going to be a third equation. And in first equation also, you can see now after seeing this equation, after reducing this equation to equation number 3, you will see the coefficient of x is 2. And here coefficient of x is minus 1. So here you have to multiply equation 1 by 2. You get equal to, after arranging in general form, you will get minus 2x plus 4y is equal to 0. Now you have to observe equation 3 and equation 4. You will see plus 2x and minus 2x will get reduced if you will add both the equations. Now after adding both the equations, equation 3 and 4, we get 2x plus 3y minus 2x plus 4y, 21 plus 0. 2x will get reduced. 3y plus 4y is 7y, and 21 plus 0 is 21. Now y is equal to 21 upon 7. 7 3 is 21. Therefore, the value of y is 3. Now substituting y is equal to 3 in equation 1, 2 multiplied by 3 minus x is equal to 0. You can substitute in any of the equation, any of the original equation, okay, first or second. 6 minus x is equal to 0. Therefore, you can see here you will make mistake. You can see here 6 minus x is equal to 0. So your minus x will be on left hand side. 0 minus 6. Do it slowly, don't make mistake. 0 minus 6 is minus 6. Therefore, x is equal to 6. Minus will get cancelled. Okay. So the value of x is 6. So the 6, 3 is the solution of the given equation. Fine. Now, yesterday we have done some solved examples also. You can see on page number 87. The solved examples are there. Sum of two number is 103. If greater number is divided by smaller number, then the quotient is 2 and remainder is 19. Before solving that, we will do the we will follow the steps of finding solution for word problems. Word problems, while solving word problems, converting the given information into mathematical form is an important step in this process. In the following flow chart, the procedure for finding solution of word problem is given. You all can read out this, read the given word problem carefully and try to understand it. Form given information, use proper variables for given quantities, form the mathematical statements from the above variables. You have to form the equations. Okay, use suitable method to solve the equation. As you all know, you have to use the method of elimination also only. Find the solution, substituting the values of the variable in both the equation, verify your results and write the answer. Okay, so here we have solved yesterday. Sum of two number is 36. If 9 is subtracted from 8 times the first number, we get second number and find the number. Let the first number be x and second number be y. So you have to do the stepwise. The second step is from given information, use proper variable if given for given quantity. So we are done with our second step. Third step is you have to form mathematical statement. So what will be your mathematical statement? Sum of two number is 36. That means x plus y is equal to 36. If 9 is subtracted from 8 times, so 8 times the first number is 8 multiplied by x, and minus 9. 9 is subtracted means 8 times first number minus 9 is 8x minus 9. That will be your second number. So therefore y is equal to 8x minus 9. So you got both the equation x plus y equal to 36. This is your first equation, and y is equal to 8x minus 9. That you have to arrange in general form. 8x minus y is equal to 9. Here also you make mistakes. Y is equal to 8x minus 9 is there. So you have to take 8x left hand side, minus 9 over here. So minus 8x will be plus 8x minus y is equal to 9. Okay, this सबको minus से plus to minus you have to interchange all the signs. So it will become plus minus 9 to 9. 8x will become minus 8x will become plus 8x, plus y will become minus y. Fine. So after solving both the equations, you get the value of x as 5. You have to do the addition. Plus 5 minus 5 will get reduced. And after substituting x equal to 5, equation 1, you get y is equal to 31. X equal to 5 and y is equal to 31. You have to verify your answer also. Since sum of two number is 36. So your answers are 5 plus 31. That is 36. Okay. And the second statement is 8 multiplied by 5, first number. 8 multiplied by first number is 8 5 is 40. 40 minus 9 is 31. So your left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore, the numbers are 5 and 31. We have verified our result. So now we will see various types of word problems. Word problems are very important. You will see in 10th standard quite hard sums are also there in your linear equations in two variables. This is the starting. Therefore, very easy sums are to 9th standard. Problems regarding age. अभी जो हमने sum किया, that was the problem. That problem was regarding numbers. Okay. Problems based on fractions. Problems based on money transaction. Problems based on geometrical properties. Problems based on speed, distance, and time. On page number 87, this question number 1, solved example is given. Sum of two number is 103. If greater number is divided by smaller number, then the quotient is 2. The remainder is 19. Then find the number. Our first step is to understand the given problem. First, you have to understand sum of two number is 103. and greater number is divided by smaller number. So there is a rule when you divide a greater number with smaller number. For example, you can see here 7 is divided by 5. So the how you will divide 5 once the 5. You will write 5 over here. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. So what is your dividend? What is your divisor? This is your dividend. This is your divisor. This is your quotient. And this is your remainder. So how do we write? 7 is equal to 5 multiplied by 1 plus 2. So 5 multiplied by 1 is 5 plus 2 is 7. So you can verify your answer this way. So our rule is what? Dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. This way we are dividing our bigger number with smaller number. Okay. So use proper variables for the given quantities. Let the greater number be x and smaller number be y. That means you are dividing x with y. So your solution will be what? Dividend is what? X. Divisor is what? Y. Quotient is given 2. Remainder is given 19. So it's quite easy to find out the equation. Okay. Our step 3 is given information. Sum of the number is 103. So your first equation will be x plus y is equal to 103. Next is given information. What is the given information? By dividing greater number by smaller number, quotient is 2 and remainder is 19. So you have to write in this rule, dividend is equal to x. You see this dividend is equal to x. Divisor is 2 multiplied by quotient is y and plus remainder is 19. So you will get x is equal to 2y plus 19. So x minus 2y is equal to 19 is the second equation. Fine. So you have got first equation x plus y equal to 19, 103, and second equation x minus 2y is equal to 19. So here you have to observe x, coefficient of x is same. So you don't have to do anything with multiplication and division. You just have to subtract equation 2 from equation 1. From equation 1 means you have to write first equation first and second equation down that. Okay. So x plus y is equal to 103 and x minus 2y is equal to 19. So when you do the subtraction, the sign will get changed. Plus x will become minus x, minus 2y will become plus 2y, plus 19 will become minus 19. X will get reduced. Plus y plus 2y will be 3y. 103 minus 19 is 84. Don't forget that you have to do the subtraction over here. Okay. And here addition. Your 3y is equal to 84. Therefore, y is equal to 84 divided by 3. 3 2s are 6 and 3 is 24. Fine. So the value of y is 28. The step 5 is substituting value of y in equation 1. X plus y equal to 103. The value of y is 28. X plus 28 is equal to 103. Therefore, x is equal to 103 minus 28. Therefore, the value of x is 75. So the given numbers are 75 and 28. So we will just verify our result. Sum of two number is 103. 75 plus 28 is 5 plus 8 is 3. Carry 1. 7 plus 1. 9, 10. 103. And when we divide 75 by 28, you will get 3. 28 multiplied by 2 is 56. So the quotient is 2 and remainder is 19, as you can see here. So our answer is verified over here. So you can write the answer. Step 6, given numbers are 75 and 28. Fine. Now let's see on page number 88. The question is, Salil's age is 23 years, more than half the Sangram's age. 5 years ago, the sum of their ages was 55 years. Find their present age. Let the Salil's age be x. First, you have to understand the question. Salil and Salil's age be X and Sangram's age be Y. So we have taken two variables for Salil's and Sangram's present age. The question asked is find their present age. So that thing also you have to assume. Salil's age is 23 years more than. So plus 23 you have to write. Half the Sangram age plus 23 plus y upon 2. Y is what? Sangram's age. Half Sangram age means y divided by 2. Is what? Is Salil's age. This way you have to form the equation. When you do, how you will find out the general form of this equation? So in this way, you have to do the cross multiplication over here. Y upon 2 plus 23 upon 1 is there. And here left hand side x is there. Okay. So y multiplied by 1 is y. 23 multiplied by 2 is 46. Divided by 2. The whole divided by 2. X upon 1 is there. 2 multiplied by x is 2x. And y plus 46. So the answer will be 2x is equal to y plus 46. 2x minus y is equal to 46. This is your standard form of given equation. Now, the second condition is what? 5 years ago, Salil's age is x minus y. And 5 years ago, Sangram's age is y minus y. What you'll have to do? You have to do the sum of their 5 years ago's age. Okay? The sum of 5 years ago age is 55. So x minus 5 plus y minus 5 is 55. Here also you can see x plus y will be y minus 5 minus 5 is minus 10 equal to 55. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 55 plus 10 is 55. Second equation will be x plus y equal to 65. So as you all can see here, this is your first equation, 2x minus y equal to 46 and x plus y equal to 65. This is your second equation. Now here you can see plus y and minus y will get reduced. So you no need to do multiply, divide, anything. You can add both the equations 1 and 2. 2x minus y equal to 46, x plus y equal to 65. Y will get reduced. 2x plus x is 3x. 46 plus 65 is 111. 3x is equal to 111. Therefore, the value of x will be 111 divided by 3. 3 3 is 9. 2 is remaining. 2 3 7 is 21. Therefore, the value of x will be 37. X is what? Salil says. Okay. The value of x is 37. Substituting x equal to 37 in any of the equations, we have taken x plus y equal to 65 because it is in the addition form and it is quite easy. 37 plus y is equal to 65. Therefore, y is equal to 65 minus 37. Therefore, y is equal to 28. Okay. So, Salil's present age is 37 and Sangram's present age is 28 years. Now, we will verify our answer. Salil's age 23 years more. Half of the Sangram's age is what? 28 divided by 2 is what? 14. Now, 14 में तुमको 23 add करना है. Why? Because it is 23 years more. So that will be 4 plus 3 is 7. 2 plus 1 is 3. 37 years. So first condition is verified. Second condition is was 5 years ago. 5 years ago, Salil's age was 32 years. 5 years ago, Sangram's age was 23 years. So when you will add both, you will get 55. As you can see, second condition also get verified. Okay. So we are done with practice examples 1 and 2. Now we will see page number 89. One activity is given. Population of a certain town was 50,000. In a year, male population was increased by 5%. Sorry. And female population was increased by 3%. Now the population became 52020. That's a 52,020. Then what was the number of males and females in the previous year? Let the number of males in previous year be X. What we all have to find out? You have to find out number of males and females in previous years means increment. What is the increment that you don't have to see? You just have to find out X and Y. X and Y you have to assume, and what you have to assume for X, male in previous year, female in previous year be Y. Okay, and the total population was 50,000. So X plus Y will become 50,000. This is going to be your first equation. Now second equation के लिए तुमको क्या करना है? The male population increased by 5% means 105 divided by 100. 5%, 105%. X. That means 105 divided by X. Female population increased by 3%. That means 103 divided by 100 multiplied by Y. Okay. So now you have to add this both, and that will be equal to 52,020 after increasing the population. Okay. So that will be your, how you will find out the 100 is common. 3 multiplied by Y. Okay, now 5 to 52,020 multiplied by 100 is 2 more 0. Fine, that will be a 52 lakhs 2,000. Fine. Next, multiplying equation 1 by 103. Why we are multiplying equation 1 by 103? Why? Because first equation is what? X plus Y is equal to 50,000. तो उसको x को हम x और y anything any किसका भी कोएफिशिएंट लेना है, कॉमन करना है तुमको. तो 105 103 103 हम कॉमन करेंगे. So multiplying equation 1 by 103 you get 105x plus 105x plus 103y 51 lakhs 50,000. Okay, after solving both the equations you get 52 lakhs 2,000 minus 51 lakhs 50,000. You will get 52,000. 2x is equal to 52,000. 52,000 divided by 2 is 26,000. So number of males is 26,000. Since x plus y is equal to 50,000, so you are substituting x plus y is equal to 50,000, 26,000 plus y is equal to 50,000. 50,000 minus 26,000 will be your 24,000. Since just because this is an activity, you can see this is written in blue part. This all the activity is written over here. My first condition, box plus box is equal to 50,000. In that empty box, you have to write x plus y, and male population increased by 5%. Number of males is box upon box, that is 105 upon 103x. On page number 89, you can see number of females is 103 upon 100 y. Then from second condition, you have to fill the boxes and complete this activity, multiplying equation 1 by 103, 51 lakh 50,000. All the figures are given in the activity. You just have to find out the values of x and y. After completing this activity, you will get x is equal to 26,000 and y is equal to 24,000. You just don't have to do the calculation. You have to do the calculation part on rough paper, and जितना तुमको दिया गया है एक्टिविटी में, that much part only you have to write in the solution. Okay. Now on page number 90, on top you can see activity 1 is given. There are instructions written near the arrow in the following diagram. From this information, form suitable equations and write in the boxes indicated by arrow. Select any two equations from these boxes and find their solution. Also verify the solutions by taking one pair of equation at a time. How many pairs can be formed? Discuss the solution for these pairs. So just have to write the discussion also. Okay. If the first statement is given, you can see in broad. Sum of my length, I am a rectangle. My length is x unit and breadth is y unit. Everything is given over here. X and y is what? Length is x unit and y is breadth is y unit. Fine. Now Sum of my length and breadth is 36. Sum of my length and breadth is 36 means x plus y equal to 36. This is your first equation. Fine. If the breadth is subtracted from twice the length of answer is 27. You can see here 2x. If the breadth is subtracted, that means minus y. Twice the length, that means 2x. 2x minus y. Then the answer is 27. Quite easy. Now third condition is my breadth pi upon 7 times the length. Okay, pi upon 7 multiplied by y is equal to x. The difference between my length and breadth is 6 units. That is also quite simple. You can see these two are quite simple. X minus y equal to 6. Now, here we have following pairs of equations. All the 4 equations are for the same rectangle. Rectangle is given and 4 conditions are given. These 4 conditions are for the same rectangle and all are satisfying the conditions for the same rectangle. Fine. So equation 1 and 2 you can take. You can write 1, 2, 3 and 4. This way you can write. You can take equation 1 and 2. You can take equation 1 and 3. You can take 1 and 4. Then you can take 2 and 3. 2 and 4. Then 3 and 4. These are the possibilities where you can make the pair of the equations. It is already written in the question. Verify the solutions by taking one pair of equations at a time. How many pairs can be formed? So how many pairs we have formed? We will see it again. This is your equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. You will see 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. These are 3 pairs. Then 2, 3, 2, 4. 2, 3, 2, 4 and 3, 4. These 6 conditions are there. Then 6 pairs are there. After solving all these 6 pairs, we will get the solution. And after solving each pair, we get the length as 21 and breadth as 15. You can solve these 2 equations also. For example, just to verify x plus y and this. Plus y and minus y will get reduced. It will become 2x. When you add 2x is equal to 42, x is equal to 21. So your length is what? 21. Now subtract with 36, you will get y as 15. Okay. So after solving all the pairs, you will get the same answer. X is equal to 21 and y is equal to 15. Just wait. Now see. Now to बहुत कम time है. Tomorrow we will start with practice set 5.2. We are done with so many activities today. Or the solved examples, page number 89, one activity we have done. Page number 90, rectangle activity we have done. Tomorrow we will do practice set 5.2. In 5.2, we just have to solve only 6 sums and 7, 8, 9, 10 is reduced. And problem set 5 also. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4 are there and the rest all are reduced. Page number 92, one activity is there, numerator and denominator. That also we will do it tomorrow. We are done with all the activities.